Welcome back to Podcast Name, the show where we dive into technology, creativity, and a sprinkle of inspiration. I'm your host, and today we're exploring the wonderful and sometimes wild world of GitHub and its many features. So whether you're a seasoned developer or just tech curious, there's something here for you. Now let's kick things off with the shining star of GitHub, GitHub Copilot. Imagine having a coding buddy who can suggest entire lines of code or even entire functions while you work. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's actually powered by AI, making coding feel more like a conversation and less like a complicated math problem. But how does this actually work? You might be wondering if it's going to replace developers or simply enhance their skills. I mean, do we want an algorithm writing our software? And speaking of security, GitHub has a feature for that too. Have you heard about their security tools? Think of it as a personal bodyguard for your code. It helps identify and fix vulnerabilities before they become real issues. Just like how we check our doors before we go to bed, better safe than sorry. Now let's not forget about automation. GitHub Actions allows developers to automate workflows. So rather than manually deploying code, imagine pressing a button and voila, your code goes live. It's like having your own personal assistant who never sleeps. What are the ways you think automation can change how we approach our daily tasks? Now, for all you project managers out there, GitHub Issues is your best friend. It's a way to plan and track your work. You can assign tasks, add comments, and even set deadlines. This way, nothing slips through the cracks. Have you ever experienced project chaos? I'm sure we've all had our moments. Let's touch on code review, another gem in GitHub's toolkit. It's essentially a safety net for code, like having a friend read over your paper before you submit it for grading. This not only helps catch bugs, but also fosters collaboration. Have you ever had a really valuable piece of feedback change the direction of your project? And if you're looking for help, the discussions feature is perfect for brainstorming outside of code. It's like having a place for the community to get together and share ideas, just as we might do over a cup of coffee. A way to collaborate and innovate beyond just coding. While we're on the topic, let's not skip over code search. Think of it as a treasure map leading you to hidden gems in the codebase. This tool makes it easier to find resources without sifting through endless lines of code. How does effective search change the game for you? And for those who want to invest back into the development community, GitHub Sponsors is a great platform for supporting open source developers. It's like a tip jar for creators of the tools we all use and love. As we wrap up today's exploration, it's clear that GitHub is more than just a repository. It's a multifunctional platform that enhances how we write, secure, and collaborate on code. What do you think about the future of coding with tools like these? Could the balance shift from writing code to more of an overseeing role? Thanks for tuning in to Podcast Name. We hope today sparked some curiosity about GitHub and its incredible features. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.